Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kunafa Baklava at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need 500 grams of fine Kunafa dough, which is crucial for that perfect texture. Also, have 200 grams of unsalted butter, melted and clarified. For the filling, we'll use a blend of ricotta and mozzarella cheese, about 100 grams of each, with a tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget the simple syrup ingredients: 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a hint of lemon juice. Now let's prepare our kunafa dough. Take your 500 grams of kunafa and gently pull it apart, shredding it into very small, fine pieces. This ensures an even crispness. Next, pour your 200 grams of melted, clarified butter over the shredded dough. Use your hands to mix it thoroughly, making sure every strand is beautifully coated. Then, take about half of this buttered dough and press it firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch round baking pan, creating a solid base. With our base ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully spread your creamy cheese filling, a mix of ricotta and mozzarella, evenly over the pressed kunafa dough. Make sure it reaches almost to the edges. Now, take the remaining half of your buttered kunafa dough and gently, but completely, cover the cheese layer. Press down lightly to ensure it's compact. Bake this delicious creation in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. While your Kunafa Baklava bakes, let's make the syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 10 minutes until slightly thickened. As soon as your Kunafa Baklava comes out of the oven, while it's still piping hot, generously pour the warm syrup over it. This allows the dessert to absorb all that wonderful sweetness. Finally, garnish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios and serve warm. Enjoy your homemade Kunafa Baklava.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.